Have you ever frozen when someone asked you a simple question in English? You knew the words, but you couldn't answer quickly. Don't worry, this happens to almost every English learner. The good news is that fluency doesn't come from knowing thousands of difficult words. It comes from being able to answer everyday questions naturally and confidently. Today, we're going to practice 50 common English questions and answers that native speakers use every day. Listen carefully, repeat after each answer if you can, and imagine you're having a real conversation. The more you practice these patterns, the more automatic your English will become. Let's begin. Question number 1, how are you? A natural answer is, I'm doing great, thanks. How about you? Question 2, what's your name? My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Question 3, where are you from? I'm from Texas. Question 4, where do you live? I live in Chicago. Question 5, what do you do? I'm a graphic designer. Question 6, do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy it very much. Question 7, what time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 in the morning. Question 8, did you sleep well? Yes, I slept really well. Question 9, what's your favorite food? I love Italian food, especially pasta. Question 10, do you cook? Yes, I cook a few times a week. Question 11, what's your favorite drink? I usually drink coffee in the morning. Question 12, do you exercise? Yes, I go to the gym 3 times a week. Question 13, what's your favorite hobby? I enjoy reading and hiking. Question 14, do you have any pets? Yes, I have a friendly golden retriever. Question 15, what's the weather like today? It's sunny and a little warm. Question 16, are you busy today? A little, but I have time to relax later. Question 17. What are you doing this weekend? I'm visiting my family. Question 18, do you like traveling? Yes, I love exploring new places. Question 19, have you ever been to New York? Yes, I visited last summer. Question 20, what's your favorite movie? I really enjoy adventure movies. Question 21, what kind of music do you like? I mostly listen to pop and jazz. Question 22, can you help me? Of course. What do you need? Question 23, do you understand? Yes, I understand. Question 24, could you repeat that? Sure. I'll say it again. Question 25, what does this word mean? It means something that happens every day. Question 26, how do you pronounce this word? It's pronounced carefully like this. Question 27, what are you doing now? I'm practicing my English. Question 28, are you hungry? Yes, I'm ready for lunch. Question 29, would you like some coffee? Yes, please. That sounds great. Question 30, can I sit here? Yes, go ahead. Question 31, what time is it? It's almost 3 o'clock. Question 32, where's the nearest bank? It's 2 blocks away. Question 33, how much is this? It's $20. Question 34, can I pay by card? Yes, we accept credit cards. Question 35, do you need help? No, thank you. I'm just looking. Question 36, what are your plans for tonight? I'm going to watch a movie. Question 37. Did you have a good day? Yes, it was very productive. Question 38, what's your phone number? It's. In real life, remember to say your own number. Question 39, can you drive? Yes, I've been driving for years. Question 40, do you speak any other languages? Yes, I speak a little Spanish. Question 41, what do you usually do after work? I relax and spend time with my family. Question 42, are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Question 43, would you like to join us? Yes, I'd love to. Question 44, what are you looking for? I'm looking for a good restaurant. Question 45, how was your weekend? It was wonderful. I had a great time. Question 46, do you have any questions? Not right now. Thank you. Question 47, can you recommend a good book? Yes, I'd recommend an inspiring novel. Question 48, what's your goal? My goal is to become fluent in English. Question 49, why are you learning English? I want better career opportunities and to communicate confidently. And finally, question 50, how can I improve my English? A great answer is, I practice listening, speaking, reading, and writing every day. Excellent work. You just practiced 50 of the most useful English questions and answers for everyday conversations. Notice how many of these patterns can be used in different situations. Once you become comfortable with these common questions, you'll find it much easier to start and continue conversations in English. Here's a pronunciation tip before we finish. In natural American English, people often connect words together. For example, instead of saying, "What are you doing?" very slowly, native speakers often say, "What are you doing?" Don't worry if you can't say it that way yet. First, master the clear version, and with practice, your listening skills will naturally improve. One of the best ways to remember these questions is to pause the video after each one and answer it with your own information. Change the names, places, hobbies, and experiences to match your own life. This turns practice into real communication, and that's how fluency grows. Remember, speaking English isn't about being perfect. It's about communicating with confidence. Every conversation you have is another step toward becoming a fluent English speaker. Thank you for learning with English Corridor today. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep practicing every single day. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more everyday English conversations, listening practice, vocabulary lessons, pronunciation tips, and real-life English content, subscribe to English Corridor. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep learning, stay confident, and enjoy your English journey.